What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis and I'm here for homeowners and up and coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you need to know about heating and air. And on today's job, what we're going to be doing is replacing a flexible duct run. So whether yours is ripped or has a hole in it, or you just need to replace your flexible duct run, I'm going to show you how it's done. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. All right, the first thing that we do when we get ready to replace a piece of flexible duct, we've got to take the end off that the duct is on so we can replace it and put our new duct on. But first, what we got to do is, it's got a panduit strap. I don't know if you can see that goes across. We've got to cut that first. So we'll take a pair of snips. We'll cut that strap. And then we got to pull the outer liner off. And this has got another piece of panduit strap on it, so we need to cut that. And then we need to remove the duct tape on it, and that's what holds the inner strap on. So we're going to do that now. All right, we got that piece of panduit strap removed. Now we just need to remove the duct tape to find the end of it. What we can do is just cut our duct tape. All right, once we got the duct tape off, our piece of ductwork should fall right off. And now all we need to do is attach the new duct to the collar here. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. All right, this is the way our ductwork comes out of the bag. What we need to do is we need to pull this inner liner out. And we need to push this insulation back. So we go wrap the insulation by pushing it back. So we can get to our inner liner. And what we're going to do is slide this piece of ductwork right on our collar. Okay, now that we got the insulation, the inner liner on, we want to take our duct tape and we want to tape that on so it stays securely and doesn't move. Okay, we got our duct tape on. And what we want to do is also put a panduit strap here to make sure, as a precautionary method, that the ductwork doesn't slide off. So we're going to put a panduit strap on. All right, once we got the inner liner on, we're going to take our insulation, pull it. All right, once we got our insulation in place, we want to take another Panduit strap and strap this insulation so it doesn't come down. So this is too big for one Panduit strap. We go take another Panduit strap and put it together. Just like so. And we'll hook our Panduit strap up. So guys, that's basically how to put a piece of flexible duct on. What you want to do is you got to cut, like I say, you got to cut and take the old flexible duct off. After you do that, you got to get your inner liner connected onto the collar. You want to duct tape that and then put a Panduit strap on it to make sure that that inner liner doesn't come off. After that, all you do is you take your insulation, you pull it up over the collar, and then you take a Panduit strap. I'm doing a piece of 10-inch duct. You may be doing a 6. You won't need 2 Panduit straps for that. But basically, I needed 2 Panduit straps, so I showed you how that if one doesn't work. So basically, the only thing you do is from that point, you go to your other connection and do the exact same thing. So basically, if you're doing, you have a boot that you're running it to, you take your boot, you take the old ductwork down, take the inner liner, put over the boot, Panduit strap and duct tape it, and then pull your insulation up, and you Panduit strap that as well. So that's basically the basics of how to replace a piece of flexible duct run. So guys, I hope you learned something. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means more to me than you know. And as always, I'll see you on the next service call. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.